This luxury bathing soup is very easy to make. To begin with, we have 150 grams of our shea butter, 150 grams of our peanut oil, and then we have our lye of 34.7 grams. Then we have our water of 80 grams. Then we have our mixing bowl. You would use any stainless steel of your choice. And we have our milk flavor. Begin by putting your shea butter and your peanut oil into the mixing bowl and then place it over a warm water to dissolve it and then make it hot. That's because making soup with cold shea butter would leave you with a very crumbly texture, which you wouldn't want that. So now that our water is on fire, we are mixing in our lye into the water. It should always be lye in the water, and then don't pour everything at the same time. You'd want to pour it little by little and then allow it to mix well. Then when you are done, you allow the mixture to stay out a bit so that the cloudiness can be cleared out before using it. At this stage, it's very, very, very hot. So we would allow it to cook a bit. By the time it's ready, the shea butter would also be, here we go. It's warm, not so hot, so we can combine both. Be sure to pour the lime mixture on the spatula so it doesn't splash on you, guys. This is very, very corrosive, so you'd want to wear your protective gears before you even touch it. Now mixing very well. The first 5 to 10 minutes, you'd want to mix in very well so that the mixture combines. After that, you can leave it and go and do whatever you are doing, and every 5 minutes you just come and stir it 1 or 2, then you leave it. So as you can see, this is the first stage. It looks like it's combining, but hey, it's not yet combined. So at this point, we just leave it small and then we go and come until we get a thick batter, like a cake batter. Then we know that our mixture is ready. You know, dealing with shea butter can be a little tricky. So you'd want to be sure that it is fully saponified before you pour it. At this point, as you can see, we have a medium trace. So hopefully our soup is on the right track. It's a pleasure to have you join us on today's session. Please support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing our educative content with friends and family. Thank you. After the first 10 minutes, the mixture can rest, and then you go about your duty. Then you come and stir it every 5 minutes. Just stir 1 or 2 and then leave it as it thickens on its own. As easy as that. On the other hand, if you're not privileged to have shea butter at home, you can replace it with palm nut oil. Yes, or coconut oil or palm kernel oil, and it will do the same work fine. As you can see, the consistency has changed completely, meaning we are almost getting to the end of our soup making. At the comment section, let me know if you've ever tried making shea butter soup before, or it's your first time, and let me know if you like this recipe and you give it a try. And when you do, let me also know the results or the outcome, and if you have any replacement, just let me know. Here I'm using the milk essence. Just a little goes a long way. You don't want to overdo it, trust me. Just a little, and then we are good to go. So we just have to stir that in and then pour into our soap mold. If you don't have a mold, you can use any disposable container of your choice at home, after which you can discard it or keep it for more soap keeping. Today I'm using one of my favorite molds. This is a flour, and see, the butter is so creamy and beautiful.